Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 11F, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe down to power off the device. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. At the bottom right here, you'll see in a moment recovery mode. Once you see that right here, recovery mode, you can let go of both of the buttons and just wait for the recovery mode to actually show up. So here you just want to tap on your desired language. We only have 3 choices, so I'm gonna choose English. And here we have our recovery mode. Now in here we have only one option that would be associated with recovery mode, which is the format data, aka just a full wipe of your device. And below that we have a reboot device and power off, which are just 2 ways of leaving this mode. Anyway, I'm gonna select reboot device, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.